How to fix the file is corrupt and cannot be opened in Microsoft Word. I was in the middle of an important project when I tried to open a Microsoft Word document. Instead of opening, Word displayed the message, "The file is corrupt and cannot be opened." For a moment, I thought I would lost all my work, but after trying a few troubleshooting methods, I was able to recover the document successfully. If you are facing the same error, don't panic. Here is how I fixed the issue. Let's get started. Open the file using Open and Repair. That is Microsoft's built-in repair tool and should always be your first step. Open Microsoft Word, click File, select Open. Locate the corrupted document. Instead of clicking Open immediately, click the small arrow beside the Open button. Choose Open and Repair. Word will now attempt to repair the damaged document automatically. Disable Protected View temporarily. Sometimes the file isn't corrupt at all. Word blocks it because it thinks the document could be unsafe. Open Word document. Go to File, then Options, then Trust Center. Click Trust Center Settings. Now open Protected View. Temporarily uncheck Enable Protected View for files originating from the internet. Enable Protected View for Outlook attachments. Enable Protected View for potentially unsafe locations. Click OK. Now try opening the document again. If it opens successfully, remember to re-enable these security settings afterwards. Recover text from any file. Even if the formatting is damaged, Word may still recover the text. Open Microsoft Word, go to File, then Open, then select the damaged document. Now change the file type from all Word documents to recover text from any file. Open the document. Word will attempt to extract whatever readable text it can find. You may lose formatting, images, and tables, but your written content can often be recovered. Check your drive for errors. If your hard drive or USB drive contains bad sectors, documents can become corrupted. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type this and hit Enter. Replace C with the drive letter where the document is stored. Allow Windows to scan and repair any file system errors. Once the scan finishes, try opening the document again. Restore a previous version. If file history or OneDrive backup is enabled, Windows may have an earlier version. Right-click the document, choose Properties, open Previous Versions. If Windows shows an earlier copy, restore it. You may recover a version created before the corruption occurred. Open the file in Google Docs. Sometimes Word refuses to open a document that other editors can repair automatically. Upload the document to Google Drive, right-click it, open it using Google Docs. If Google Docs successfully opens it, immediately download it again as a Microsoft Word document. And that's how you can fix "This file is corrupt and cannot be opened" error in Microsoft Word. If the guide helped you recover your file, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Silicophilic, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest Windows tips, troubleshooting guides, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.